Hi guys! So for the assignment that says end of year review, I just wanted to go over a few things. Instructions are over here. Watch the instruction video first. If you are watching this video right now, first, you're doing the right thing. For our last week of instruction, you only have one assignment, but it is a big one. I suggest working on it for a little bit each day. Create a copy of the end of the year. That's what the EOY stands for. End of year science review slides. For each slide topic, you will write a complete sentence, fact, and add picture examples. When you are finished, you can feel free to add extra fun details. Watch the video instructions, that's what you're watching right now, to see how to click on certain things. You can use the hand motion videos to find facts or search the internet safely. So over here, the hand motions, I have put in slides for you. You can go to any of the topics and see the hand motions. They are there for you. This is where you can get your facts from by watching those videos. If you choose not to get facts from there, if you are going to search the internet, please do so safely with parent permission to be searching the internet. All right, so I'm going to click over here. When you click that, it will make you your own copy. End of year science review. There's the instructions again if you want to see them in the slides. Remember, facts should be complete sentences. So for the first slide, properties of matter. I'm going to go ahead and do one with you. So properties of matter, a fact. If something is less dense than water, it means that it floats on water. So that is my fact. It isn't a complete sentence. Again, remember that could be taken from my hand chant. If I watch the properties of matter hand chant, it talks about less dense and more dense. All right, the next thing I need to do is add pictures. When you click on this little box that kind of looks like there's little tiny mountains inside of it, you can click search the web, or you can upload your own pictures if you would rather, but I'm going to search the web and I'm going to look for less dense than water, and I'm going to see what pictures it pulls up. Lots of good pictures to choose from. I'm not seeing a picture that I really like, so I'm going to make it simpler in terms. I'm looking for something that's floating. That's what I want a picture of. Some of these are funny pictures of things floating. Let's see. Oh, I like this one. All right, so I'm going to insert this picture. Oops. I click on it, and then I click the word insert, and it'll bring it in. To resize, if I take at the corners, there's little circles, and it gives me the arrow with an arrow on each side of that line, and I pull it down, I can resize that picture to the size I like. So there I have one picture. If I wanted to get another picture, I'd click again, search, and let's see, I want another picture of something floating. Let's say I want a floating beach ball this time. Oh, and I like this one, and I'll insert that. This is how I can insert my pictures and resize it so that it fits. Okay, let's say I wanted to stop there. Once I've done properties of matter, I'm going to click on and do mixtures. You have a slide for all of our different topics. There are a lot. Remember, this is your only assignment for the entire week. There is not a STEM Scopes assignment. This is your only one, so take your time. Just work on it a little bit every day. Don't overwhelm yourself. Once I've done all the slides, I can add fun details if I want. So if I right click in the blank space down here, it gives me these options. I can click change background, and I can pick a color. I could pick an image. I'm going to pick a color. I'm feeling happy, so I'm going to go with yellow. And I can click done. I like the yellow. I could do every slide a different color, or if I want every slide to be the same color, I right clicked again, change background. I have my color selected, and I click add to theme, and then it changes all my slides over here to yellow, if that's what I want. To change the font or the color, if I highlight the text, if I go to this large A up here, I can change the color if I want. I might change that to blue, or I can change the font if I wanted. Let's say I want this one. Have fun playing around with these things. There's lots of fun things you can do. You could even insert videos if you wanted. If you go to insert, click down, you can insert images, you can go that way. If you want more text box, oops, let's say you wanted to record some audio or a video. There's lots of fun things that you can do to be creative when you are, backspace, when you are finished with all of the important things that need to be on your slides. If you have any questions, I'm going to go back out of this. If you have any questions, you can leave me a comment here in our Google Classroom, or you can dojo message me, email me. Please remember that I am looking at messages in various locations. If I miss your message, I'm not ignoring you. I probably just didn't see it. Be patient with me, or message me a second time and say, hey, Mrs. Martin, I think you missed my message. Or call me. Most of your parents have my phone numbers. You can only call me with a parent though. All right, this is our last instructional assignment. It's your only instructional assignment. I know it's big, but take it one day at a time. I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you May 27th for our drive-through celebration, and then after virtual parties. All right, bye guys.